Hello, today we will look at the new feature in the list view. We have a new feature to sort more than one column in list views. From this feature, you can able to sort the columns up to 5 fields. To sort the multiple columns, you need to enable the multi-column sorting feature. Go to Setup and select User Interface. Click the checkbox next to enable sort by multiple columns. Once this has been enabled, you should be able to see multi-sorting functionality in the list view. Now, only one sorting has been made in the list view, that is the account name field. Choose the multi-sorting functionality and select the fields and the order to sort it. You can also add some more sorts using the Add a Sort column. If you need to remove, then you can choose the delete icon. You can see the changes in sorting order here, and the list view has been displayed with multiple sort order functionality. If you need to remove the multi-sorting order, then you need to go to the list view controls and select Reset Column Sorting. Once this has been selected, the list views will be visible with the existing sort order, that is account name. In this way, you can easily sort the list view based on different fields. To organize list views by several columns is a highly anticipated feature that streamlines data handling and improves efficiency. Thank you.